Hi, this is Jessica from Psychedelic Doilies, and today I'm going to show you how to join your yarn with a standing double crochet stitch instead of having to use a chain 2 or a chain 3 that doesn't really look like a double crochet stitch. I'm currently working on this doily rug that's in this pattern book from Leisure Arts called Overlay Crochet. And this is how far I am right now. And I learned this technique from this book, and it was so cool, I wanted to show you. So when joining a new yarn, first create a slip stitch. And get it on your hook. Now to create our standing double crochet, we're going to start with our slip knot on our hook. And we're going to hold on to it so that it doesn't move, and we're going to wrap the yarn around our hook and keep it there so there's 2 loops on our hook. Then we're going to go into our stitch just like any other double crochet stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. And so we never let go, so this little slip knot didn't switch around. So now there's 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, hold on to that slip knot, yarn over, pull through 2. And now we joined our yarn with a double crochet instead of having to do a starting chain 2 or chain 3, which doesn't look very nice. So that's it. That's how you join your yarn with a standing double crochet stitch.